Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we wanted to look at another ad format, which is going to be video ads, which you can create on the LinkedIn ads platform. Now, video ads are going to be ad formats where you can shoot a video about your business, your product and services. You can tell a story about your brand. You can also come across as a thought-provoking leader as well, specifically, and also sharing your customers' success stories. So this would be really useful in terms of the user engagement, which you can get from your customers. Video ads turns out to be highly motivating and engaging, and because of which you can see much better performance in terms of traffic coming to your website and then generating sales or leads for yourself. This kind of ad format will appear on the feeds of your customers, members of the LinkedIn community, which you're going to target over here. You can create this through the LinkedIn ads campaigns, which we're going to see in the coming videos. So this is going to be another ad format, which you can certainly test and try and use for your business so that it can really help in generating those incremental clicks and then generating sales or leads for the business. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.